YouTube. Today we're going to show you some survival stuff like we told you in our previous video. So let's get started. Okay. First, what we've started here, we just took sort of an oversized lunchbox and we're turning it into a survival kit. So what we have on the inside is, it's got this pocket up here. So we have this, it could be used to fire, I don't know, I just put that in there. Scissors, good for cutting things. And then we have our old Altoid survival kit in here. And it's got a lot of stuff that you might need. It's got medicine, it has swabs, tinfoil, matches, band-aids, floss, all sorts of things. And just these rubber bands on top. And so we're not done with this. It's going to be full of stuff, but that's what we have so far. And we have another thing we're working on. This is a stone sword. It's not actual stone, but we're working on it, and we've started the outline around here. And we're just coloring it in with a pencil. It's a basic wooden board. We had these were extra when we put wood floor in our house. So you can buy a thin wood board at Lowe's, local hardware store. You can just get one. Make sure it's not too thick or it's not going to be sword-like. So once you do that, you can just make your outline, and we'll update you more on that later. We get farther in it. And that's all for today. Bye, YouTube.